Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to create or remove a user account on this laptop. Begin by opening the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then in Settings, on the left side of the window, select Accounts. And now in the Accounts menu, scroll down to Other Users section, then open it. And then to add a user, click Add Account right here. And if you want to add a user using their Microsoft account, you're gonna have to enter their email or phone number into this field, then enter the password to their Microsoft account, and then create a PIN code for them if you want to. Alternatively, if you want to create a user using a local account, select I don't have this person's sign-in information right here, and on the following page select add a user without a Microsoft account. Now create a username for this account, and if you want to, you can also add a password. So if you want to create a password for them, then enter it one time into this field, then confirm it in the second field, and then create or rather choose 3 security questions so that this user can answer them in order to restore their password. So once you've chosen the questions, provide the answers into their respectful fields. Then once you're finished, you can write down the answers so you don't lose them, and then click Next, and this way you will create an account. Now you can switch to it if you go to Start menu, then select your account's logo, then tap 3 icons in the top right, a 3-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen or the window, then select this user's account, and then you're gonna have to sign into that account. But if you want to remove this account, you have to go back to the Other Users menu and then expand this user's options, and here you have to select Remove in order to remove this account. But before you do that, you're gonna have to sign out of their account. Well, since I haven't signed into it, I can do this right now. But if you are already signed into their account, first sign out of it and then sign into your account and click select Remove, and then delete account and data, and this will remove this user's account. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.